Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to take astrophoto on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you're into taking photos of stars in the night and you want to use your Samsung S25 Ultra, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up the camera app. Next, you want to go ahead and swipe left at the bottom, find more. From here, go ahead and tap on Expert RAW. This will basically download an app called Expert RAW. Go ahead and install this. This is from Samsung itself, so it's completely safe. Now once installed, go ahead and swipe more and then tap on Expert RAW. Now allow Expert RAW to your media. Now once Expert RAW opens up, you want to go ahead and tap on this test tube icon, which looks here at the bottom right. Tap on this, and now here you'll see your astrophoto mode. So this first mode is your astrophoto, so you can go ahead and configure the capture time. And the second mode is your Astro Portrait mode. So you can capture stunning portraits under the stars. Astro Portraits blends the beauty of long exposure astrophotos with perfectly focused subjects to create magical star-lit memories. So there you go guys. That is how to take astrophotos on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.